Hey guys, welcome back. To my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today I'm going to unbox this TPMS tire pressure monitoring system. So I got this around under 60 ringgit in Shopee. I'm going to link the product description, the product link down in my video description below. And yeah, so what does this do? So this is the solar charging. Also supports USB charging, pressure monitor, temperature monitor, color digital display, yeah, and an anti-high temperature. So nothing on the side here, nothing here. Without further ado, let's unbox this. So this is the content here. We got some screws. Then this is the USB wire. This is micro USB. This is the display itself, and then with the solar panel here. Not sure what this is. I believe this is a double-sided tab here, so that this sticks onto your dashboard like so, with the sunlight coming in here. This is the manual, and we'll go through this later on. And these are the ones that you plug into your tire to monitor the temperature and then the pressure. So it has some logos on the top of it. It does feel a bit of weight. I believe there's flat batteries in there. So this is front right, front left, rear left, rear right, and then front right. So that's about it. And let's see this button here. Then if you can look at this, the button don't look straight, I feel. I'm not this one in particular is pretty much slanted. Not sure if it's by design. And there's a very thin film here. We're gonna just peel it over. This is the solar panel for charging the battery inside, and then you can charge it here. Here's the micro USB. Then let's power it on. If I'm not mistaken, to power it on, press for 3 seconds. There we go. And it will show you the temperature, then the pressure of the tire in bar. And so this is the front left, front right, rear left, rear right. And then this is your battery level. There's also a film here. Just get this off also. Hope I don't damage the screen. So that it looks a bit clearer. It does look a bit far clearer now. So it's flashing now because it's not receiving any data from these modules, and then in order to connect them you actually have to pair them. So the process is that you have to pair them one by one on all of these modules, and so the process might take a bit of time, and this is why we are referring to the manual here. So as I read it before, it does seems to be a bit tricky. It takes a bit of time. So first off is the schematics. So if it says it's solar charging, it will display here, and then yeah, and then there's a screen alarm analysis diagram. So sensor disconnect alarm here, alarm symbol. So that means that, this means that it is currently not connected. As you can see on the hood, there's a power exclamation. Then if the tire pressure is too high, it will show bolded, and then high temperature as well. So the maximum pressure goes up to 3.5, minimum pressure goes down to 1.8. That's actually not so low, but yeah, because I remember my Viva was 2.0 and my new Aisha 2023 is 2.4. So yeah, so once you drop under 1.8, it will start letting you know. And so there's a bit of a manual here, so gotta read it through. But the real menu you gotta look at is this display sensor pairing swap sensor position. So I'll leave this in the screen without going through it. And then there's sensor installation, equipment parameters. So if you want to know how to connect this to start using this, let me know and I'll make a video out of it. And for now, yeah, that's about it guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, share the video if you found this useful, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye bye.